How to fix Shein network error. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have closed the Shein application, and then just go to your app store and make sure that you have the most up-to-date version. So I'm just going to search for Shein. You can do this the same way on the Google Play Store. Click on the application itself here. If it says open instead of update, then you know that you have the most up-to-date version. So that was the first thing that you can do. Now for the second thing, we will open up the Shein app right here, and then we'll click on me found in the bottom right corner. Then click on the gear icon in the top right corner this time, and we want to find clear cache, which is right here under blocked contact list, and just click on yes. Now after we have done this, see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't work, then the last thing that you can do is switch to a different network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data, see if that fixes it for you. And if you're using mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi connection and see if that works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.